Welcome to Long Drive, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500, a truck that blends power, innovation, and style. Whether you're looking for a workhorse or a daily driver with premium features, this truck has a lot to offer. The 2025 Sierra 1500 comes with multiple engine options, including the reliable 5.3 LV8, the powerful 6.2 LV8, and the efficient 3.0L Duramax turbo diesel. Each engine is designed to deliver an impressive balance of performance and fuel economy, making it suitable for towing, hauling, and everyday driving. With a maximum towing capacity of over 13,000 pounds when properly equipped, this truck is ready for any challenge. Inside, the Sierra 1500 boasts a refined and high-tech cabin. The available 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system offers seamless connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A digital driver display, premium materials, and enhanced comfort features make long trips more enjoyable. The Denali and AT4 trims provide luxury and off-road capabilities, ensuring that there's a Sierra 1500 for every type of driver. Advanced safety features include Super Cruise hands-free driving, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These cutting-edge technologies enhance the driving experience and provide peace of mind on the road. On the exterior, GMC's bold design language is evident with a striking front grille, LED lighting, and aerodynamic enhancements. The MultiPro tailgate continues to be a game-changer, adding versatility to loading and unloading cargo. Overall, the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 continues to push boundaries in the full-size truck segment, delivering power, technology, and luxury in one package. Thanks for watching Long Drive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content.